Mark Woodling, Real Estate Online Marketing, United SCS is the company. And of course, Bryce here as well, talking about REAP marketing. All right, so what should we've got this book. We learned that you speak Chinese. You came from IBM. Come from IBM. You've launched this, you've found ways to sell salon chairs, which I think is a first on this show. We haven't had anybody talk about selling salon chairs. What's one of the top things you've learned from selling salon chairs in the process and the method? Because obviously you hired your own company to help launch that company.
Yeah, well, I should have been better prepared for that question.
Well, I'm just wondering, is there anything you learned from that?
Yeah, and so
challenges.
I think for sure, just being willing to take risk, and even when you find the successes, is being willing to stick your neck out there and try something new to find the next breakthrough. Because while it's you can sort of fall into a routine, especially with digital marketing, a lot of our stuff being so reliant on digital marketing. And still being a relatively new company, marketing changes. And even if you hire a good SEO company or you got a guy who does SEO.
I love the way you say that, by the way. Because when you ask
everybody's got a guy, right? Everybody's got a guy who
and it's usually the youngest person in the
website.
Yeah.
Everybody's got a guy who can tweet or build a website or whatnot. So even if you find a sweet spot, with search engines and generating a lot of traffic, things change, and Google changes their algorithms, or another site comes along and sort of king of the hill mentality and knocks you off your game. So you got to be willing to try new things, and even though you feel like you've got the secret sauce figured out, the sauce just keeps changing, so you got to keep figuring it out.
You describe in your book, and you talk about this, how you had a website, didn't meet your expectations, and you did the unthinkable and threw away a $100,000 website in the trash and started over. That had to have been pretty tough. All that time and money you spent on the website, you're like, you know what, it's not working.
Yeah, I was really emotionally invested in that, and I had a lot of friends and people I trusted and agencies that I liked and all that who have invested a lot of their time, money, energy, and passion into creating what I asked them to create. But at the end of the day, we being me, missed hour being my mark. So to me, it really, ultimately, after having made the decision, it was not that difficult to do, because I knew it was the right thing to do. And overnight, after having done so, we increased our conversion rates by over 400%. So literally 4 times the amount of people buying from us the day after we made the change. The trick and the way to kind of bring it full circle was for me to go back to the people that initially helped me get that website up and say, put it all out on the table and say, here are all the things that I learned, here's all the things that we liked about the first website you helped us create, here are all the findings that we've discovered by rolling this thing back and doing a really basic website. How can we combine the best of both worlds? And the team was just really good at embracing all this new information and coming up with a best of both worlds approach. So as far as throwing the website in the garbage, it wasn't really, emotionally it was hard to make the decision. Once the decision was made, it was pretty clear cut.
Pretty clear cut. The website, BryceMacBeth.com. Go for that for full information on what you guys do. And if you have a website out there for your company and it's kind of anemic, it's on life support.
Or if it's doing really well and you're trying to get more mileage out of the dollars you're spending.
There you go. Contact Bryce, you'll get it. Thanks for coming, man.
Yeah, thanks for having me. This is
what
awesome.
A great, insightful conversation we've had. I may have you look at BrianGlynnEntertainment.com.
Okay.
Oh, God, here we go. I got to check my Facebook page, by the way, to see if I have any messages. If you've got a website you want Bryce to take a look at, let me know. He's going to mine, BrianGlynnEntertainment.com. It's pretty basic. I'm just going to leave it at that.
I'm Bryce. I'm not judging yet.
Okay, he's not judging
now
yet.
It's rendering. I'm judging.
Okay, we're going to go to break on that note. Give us a few minutes. We'll come right back. We're going to talk some real estate straight ahead. Stick around.